So this is a really friendly town, yeah? It's Cornwall, so always friendly here. So look at that beautiful meat they got in there, look. So if you're on a holiday or you're thinking of visiting, come and check this place out, viewers. Yeah, this is absolutely phenomenal. Local connection a lot. Right, let's just have a shout, yeah? Now, most people are friendly in Cornwall, okay? But you've got to be polite and respectful, viewers. And you can't just walk into a business, that's private. Shop? Hello. Sir, could I put my camera around the shop, please?
You certainly can.
Do I have your permission, sir?
You have permission.
Got your bay tree, chili, chutneys. You've got some beautiful customers there. You've got beautiful cranberry jam, strawberry jam, tip tree orange. I think that's probably marmalade. Tawny orange. I like tawny port. Not sure about tawny orange, but there you go. Old Times orange. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful products. No mass-produced rubbish here. All proper. No additives. That's proper natural. That proper natural. Lovely little. Wonder what that's for. Viewers, we just see this place is going to be friendly. You can just tell, can't you, Angel?
Yes, you can.
So you can just tell this place is going to be friendly.
Retro.
It's retro. We don't want to catch any of the customers, but we're going to see if we can. We're going to see if we can get some permission to film it, because you can't just walk into a shop, viewers, with a camera. You really can't. So let's just see if we can. Let's keep it down so we're not catching any of the customers, viewers. Just catching their lovely wares, and let's just go and see. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here, viewers. I could actually get thrown out or anything. I really, really could. Is it? Do you think I should ask the lady?
Yes, you should.
The lady looks nice though. She looks pleasant. And it's a lovely shop she's got here. Quick, Angel. I feel a little bit scared just in case I get told off. Yeah. Can you go and ask the lady if we can have a little look around the shop with the camera? Okay. See what she says. What do you think the lady's going to say, viewers? Do you think she's going to agree to it or say, "Get out of my shop"? I'll keep it this way, away.
Walking in history, step by step.